Hello, think about the last time you felt truly motivated by an app or platform. Was it when you got a badge for completing a week of workouts? Or when you hit a milestone in a language learning app like Duolingo? That's gamification at work. Taking something ordinary and make it an extraordinary by tapping into what drives us as humans. Welcome to Mastering UX Gamification. In this module, we will start by understanding the essence of gamification. We will break down what it is, why it is so powerful, and how it is grounded in human psychology. By the end of this session, you will not only understand gamification but also be able to spot its applications in everyday life and start thinking about how to bring it in your own projects. So let's dive right in. Gamification is the process of applying game mechanics in non-game contexts. It's not about making your product as a game, it's about making it more engaging by leveraging the principles that make games addictive and rewarding. Let's bring this to life with some actual examples. Duolingo. Why do millions of people stick to learning languages on Duolingo? It's not just the content, it's the streaks, XP points, and leaderboards that turn learning into a game. And missing a day doesn't just feel like forgetting homework, it feels like breaking a streak, and that hurts. Also, Fitbit. Fitbit is another fantastic example, and by tracking your steps, giving you badges for milestones, and letting you compete with friends in step challenges, it turns fitness into a rewarding journey rather than just a chore. And also LinkedIn. Ever notice LinkedIn's profile completeness bar? It's a simple yet effective way to motivate users to complete their profiles one step at a time by visualizing progress. So these examples show how gamification works across industries from fitness and learning to professional networking. Now, take a moment to think about your favorite apps or different platforms. Can you spot any gamification elements? Is it a streak, a badge, or leaderboards? Share one example in your notes or comments, and this will help you start seeing gamification everywhere. So, why do gamification work so well? It all comes down to these three factors. First is engagement. Gamified experiences grab and hold our attention. They make interactions feel rewarding and fun, whether you are learning, shopping, or working out. And by giving us goals to strive for, rewards to earn, and progress to track, gamification keeps us motivated. So, motivation is a big factor. Also, behavioral change. Gamification can encourage positive habits like saving money or exercising regularly by breaking big goals into smaller, rewarding steps. It makes change feel achievable. And here are some specific examples of how gamifications drive results. Platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy use gamified quizzes, progress tracking, and certificates to keep learners on track. Also, apps like Strava and MyFitnessPal use gamification to turn personal health into a social rewarding experiences. Amazon's Prime membership gamifies savings by showing how much you've saved on shipping, and Starbucks rewards keep customers loyal by awarding stars for purchases. The key here is aligning gamification with the user's goals. Self-determination theory is one of the most important psychological frameworks for gamification. It states that people are most motivated when their needs for autonomy, competence, and relatedness are met. We love feeling in control. For instance, Duolingo gives users choices in what to learn, fostering autonomy. Humans are wired to enjoy mastery. Gamification taps into this by rewarding progress and skill development. We are social creatures, and features like leaderboards or team challenges foster connection and competition. Gamification also draws heavily on behaviorism, which focuses on reinforcement, giving rewards or feedback to encourage specific action. Okay, let's talk about flow theory. Flow is that state of deep focus when you're fully immersed in an activity. And gamification helps users enter flow by balancing challenge and skill. Alright, let's break down how Fitbit uses gamification to keep users moving. Of course, it's a progress visualization. Users can track their daily steps in real time, turning activity into a visual journey. Also, the milestone badges. Earning badges for milestones like walking 5,000 steps in a week keeps users striving for more. And social motivation. Of course, steps challenges with friends or family add a social layer to fitness and creating accountability and fun. So you see how Fitbit's success shows how gamification can turn even mundane activities into meaningful ones. Now it's your turn. Here is a little exercise for you. Take a moment to think about the project you're working on and write down what are your users' goals? What actions do you want to encourage? Which game mechanism like points, badges, or progress bars could support these goals? Jot these ideas down, and in the next module, we will explore how to apply these mechanics effectively.